With Sonible's AI-powered Pure Bundle, you can make your EDM track sound rock solid in no time at all. I'll show you some of the built-in effects of these plugins that will take your track to the next level. Let's go right into the session here. So the first thing I noticed is that the kick has too much energy on the lows. It sounds a bit too muddy and muffled for my taste. I'll use Pure Comp and push the clarity parameter to the max. This causes the compression to be only applied where it is really necessary, resulting in a very transparent sound. The muddy sound in the lows is gone and the kick is still punchy despite the compression. I also want to tighten up my drums, so I let Pure Comp learn and set the compression style to 30. This will enhance the transients of my track and create a nice punchy sound. Next, my bass sounds a bit undefined, but Pure EQ will sort that out for me. I'll increase the balance parameter and select the warm style to emphasize the low frequencies. After processing, the bass now sounds clear and powerful. I also want to balance the vocals as they sound a bit harsh. After learning, I increase the dynamic parameter. This way, Pure EQ constantly adjusts the filter curve according to my input signal and brings consistency to the vocals. Next, I would like to make the gap between the build-up and the drop a little more exciting with Pure Verb on the vocals. Pure Verb comes with these special modes. There's reverse, infinite, and bounce. In this case, I set the mode to reverse, which will lead to a reversed reverb effect. I'll also increase the size for an atmospheric sound. I'll then automate the mix parameter to stop the reverse reverb at the drop. You can hear how the momentum remains in the track and the drop has become even more impactful. I would also like to give this piano in the chorus more density. After learning, I increase the reverb size and adjust the type of reverb. In this case, I'll go for a more stylized sound with a more synthetic reverb. And with the reverb in the chorus, it sounds fuller and has more energy. To give the song a final polish, I'll place Pure Limit on the master bus. The limiter increases the perceived loudness of the track and generates the polished in-your-face sounds that I was looking for. So I'm really happy with what I've done here, and let's see how the song has changed. Don't tell me I'm wrong.